I mean, so, one of the first gravitational waves that we measured with LIGO were from these 30 solar mass black holes. And you know what these monsters were doing? At the time that they collided, they were moving at half the speed of light.
Whoa.
And instead of, moving at sort of human Godzilla speeds, they are moving at the speed of light. The amount of energy it takes to accelerate a little electron in our sort of, experiments to the speed of light. And to think we do it with something that's 30 times the mass of our sun.
So there's no greater particle accelerator than the universe itself.
Indeed.
Ooh.
Is it making a sound when it happens?
No. And the reason is that...
But wait a minute. You guys put a soundtrack to that wave.
That's
Metallica?
different than whether it made the sound.
Then get us out of that media ploy, because I always have to undo things that the media does or give context for it, because people say, well, if space is a vacuum, and because they knew that sound doesn't travel through space.
No one can hear you scream.
No, exactly. That's a legit call, right, for the movie, the Alien.
Yep.
So did you endorse this attachment of sound to it? How did you, as an educator and as a physicist, where were you on that?
Yeah, so, I think of it as there are many, many phenomena as scientists or as humans and observers that we can't directly observe. Let's take light. So we love to look at pictures of even astronomical objects where they're emitting X-rays. We can't see X-rays, so we color it blue. And we can see blue, and then the object looks blue, and we imagine that's an X-ray. And so when I think about sound, or the sound of these, waves, it's an encoding. It's a way of mapping it onto senses that we do have.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So